Everybody, let's stop, please. Hey, before we get started, we have 12 people. That means all 4 QCRs are going out to the top 4 at the end of the tournament. So the first place is getting a QCR Imseti. Second place is getting QCR Flamebirds. Third is QCR Assault Synchron. And 4 is QCR Dark Hole. What?
Went out top good.
Yeah, top 4.
We playing it out though.
Hell no. No,
There's 4 rounds and it's Monday. Hell no.
That's 4.
About to go home.
Freaking go. I'll say 4 Nick. Hell no. Get that round of applause, y'all. Come on. Yeah. Hell no, man. Let's go.
But I'm gonna spend.
No, they're fine. I don't think if anybody wants to walk out with me here, I'm pretty sure everybody is.
It's gonna be an issue. Hey, we just gonna say that.
Oh, they'll be fine.
Alright. But if it was the other way, we got it. We get it. It's gonna be something serious.
Oh, we all got 4. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see what.
Like, damn, 4. Ain't mad about 4.
Okay.
Option token.
Okay. So with that King of Swamp though, you don't want it.
Herald of Horus.
Alright.
Oh, you have to be with
$100
3.
card. That's it, bro. But it's gonna be face down. But it's third stack.
It actually is. I'll take a finance fee.
Dylan, you ain't hitting over there, so I'm kind of nervous. I don't know.
Nah. See,
You pulled a QCR Goblin Rider thing across from me at fucking Batcave. I'm calling it. It's gonna be 2 old schools.
wait, actually?
I don't know how much it is, but it's an open.
Ghost Reaper? Fuck
Yeah, it's an open. I appreciate it.
Bless this shot. I said, hey, he's gonna pull heat. I touched his back.
It's in. I pulled one. Ghost Reaper and Winter Cherry. I don't know how much it is, but it is old. It's probably like $2. It ain't 85. That's great. My dice said. Time it started. 45.
High or low?
That's a zombie? That look like a zombie to me. It's like a child.
I don't know.
Hey, big sale.
You know what? Let's say you can't.
Time to do better. What's the score?
Who pulled the ulti? Who else pulled the ulti?
I haven't pulled yet.
We just handed out like half a box of OTS 20. Somebody better open Nolties.
I definitely got one.
I need all ninja cards.
This
Because
attack
I'm
goes
just going to
damage.
full court all of them.
Attacking with all the target gains a stun special
If
condition.
anyone needs Neko Man Kings, I pull 2 of them.
So it's 4 dice.
I have a playset of
No, this one is this one's physical.
My physical sport though too.
I fucking called it. Oh, we got the Illumra
I
ulti.
want
that.
I want that.
Let's go!
Harry's like,
Trade me tit for tat, Jamie. I want that.
Let's fucking go!
No. So she gets dazed then, right?
Nope.
So she's gonna use all these statuses that she has.
Is there water on the floor over here? This is yours. This is mine. Mine wasn't.
That actually probably really surprised.
What's her health? Okay, but her physical, that's how you get it. You gotta get up in her face.
Well, mine,
Probably going to get game.
Because it's 3.
You better get that. You better get that spell.
oh, so I took the hell out. So I guess
She flipped.
Hello?
so she's done for the turn. We can't go again until next turn.
Oh, and I didn't.
12.
Yeah, but there is, if you have the card, you have the
Jamie, give me that Luba, bro.
12 so far.
But you don't have it. It's the, it's one
Okay,
of those
we've
special
started
cards.
round 1 already.
And I think, did I take it?
All right,
It's a
see you when you
special
get
card you can use. So you get someone who's been dazed. You can use them.
Tell Jamie I want to trade that Luba, bro. I want that.
It was Valkyrie.
Yeah. Wolverines over there.
Oh man.
That's how it goes down.
He's the best at what he does.
Vicky says that all the time, doesn't he?
Yeah, he does say that a lot.
He has no fucking power.
Drop.
Yeah.
Stand by.
Neither does Valkyrie's melee.
He has healing factor 2, which is pretty good. That's actually really good.
Activate urgency.
And he has 7 health.
Are you playing machines?
Yes, sir.
Oh, first time we played that.
Yeah, I finally fixed it.
Hard on him.
Like I said, the homies hooked me up. They gave me a good bit of cards I was missing.
I'll spin 2.
Take it out.
Got 1 left. During the next attack, your best character, you may change 1 die to
Hey,
hit.
machine
Pretty wild.
special.
You can change a die to a crit or a hit. Wait. Oh, this is a big hit. Why wouldn't you change him to crit? Oh, it doesn't matter. It's good.
1 die to hit for each crit or wild.
Oh,
Yeah. For 2.
you still get to roll a die if you get a crit.
Yeah, you're gonna get it on that.
So if you get a win,
I was like, this.
but I haven't done any damage on these guys. Anymore.
It looked good though when you did the
Don't forget when you take damage,
Only
power,
gets
everybody gets power.
I mean, it is pretty good. I ain't gonna lie
When
about
you take
that.
damage, you get the power from the damage you take.
Oh, really?
You probably should have 4 more or
You
something.
should have a lot of power then.
Jamie,
That would give at least 4
I know you hear me. Tell him I want to trade him now. I want that allure. I need that allure.
What about
Damn it.
yellow?
Whatever you, yeah, but you want to. Oh
You
no,
focus right now, my bad. You
whatever
focus.
damage I did to her. What do I need to knock her out?
He did 4. Yeah.
She had 4 left.
She only had 2 left, so when I stopped 2, you did the 2 that needed to flip her. So she should have 2 more then?
Yeah.
I stopped 2 of them.
Okay.
But yeah, it still flipped her because all she has is 2 health left.
How much health does she have?
She has 5.
Okay.
But yeah, now she's 4.
Hey, you hold the ulti, okay? Like you winning the day already.
Let's just go for broke. Instead of using the 2 for that warrior legend, that's really
You're gonna use 3?
I'm gonna use 3.
The sour things?
Dragon. After the attack is over, the target character gains the bleed special condition.
Damn, that match over already?
Hey, all he gotta do is trade me that allure for this gold free.
You get outside check after attack.
Freaking bricks.
Cost her 3. She gets 7.
Oh my god, seriously?
Interaction and Yu-Gi-Oh probably don't exist. It's like who combos first.
Close enough.
I mean,
Physical?
sometimes
It's physical.
Sometimes.
Dinosaurs work in this
Wolverine,
one.
what you see.
Does dinosaurs work at all?
you can make it work.
So the short answer is no.
I mean, you can make it work, but you're gonna have to do some work.
What are the busted card types right now? I hadn't played in like a
Fire and this gives fire.
As far as creatures like zombies, goblins, vampires,
Pyro,
pyro.
Yeah, not fire. Tribute. Fire.
fire,
Fire. So
anything that's got the fire emblem.
This is like a whole bunch of card acceleration and combo potential.
It's pretty quick if you play Fire King. It's pretty nice inboard if you play Snake Eyes. It's pretty cool playing Rescue Ace. They're firefighters. I mean, like it's some pretty cool fire shit that they got
I
going.
still want to play Owl with Rescue Ace against Cycle Dragon.
He better watch out because that one to get to 1, he gonna have some problems.
What, on Turbox?
No, if one goes to 1, he gonna have some issues.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Then you just delta the wanted and you watch them
I gain
lose.
power
Maybe.
for equal to
It all depends on what was on field when we play.
Physical again, right?
All right, my friend.
I'll try this thing first. Let's see what happens. See if I draw a straight ass system out.
Look at 2 then.
Okay, we get 2 power.
I get 2. It's a little bit.
I can work with this. Alright, stand by main.
Sir. That's the one that you send around. Was it do send one, add one, just like that?
Oh no, so map, it's just you reveal one of the different names vanish, and then you immediately have to normal summon the one that you reveal.
Okay.
So, yeah. So, chain one, chain two.
Healing factor.
And then that resolution?
Yeah, she's gonna try to strike again.
Okay.
No, sir.
One.
Oh my god, I failed. That's a good one. What did you say?
One more. How much health do you have though? 6?
7.
Oh yeah.
So I have 2 left.
But you're gonna heal too.
Yes.
Right off the rip. See, I knew I went for
I'm gonna let her go. I'm gonna let him heal too.
yeah, I literally went for it. Oh wait. I just wanted to try it.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I just wanted to
Activate. Party's good.
Hey!
So these go away. And you're holding it now.
Oh man.
And it's worth 2 points unless I can take you out.
My card is really good.
I think Wolverine.
He has a
Party's
chance.
good.
Yeah, Wolverine.
Ancient gear is.
I literally tried to come with everything I had and he took it, so.
I'll do.
Fortress is going to be
I'm gonna use my Berserker Barrage. Alright, let's go through.
It's gonna be the Capcom game.
This attack immediately makes a move
I'm gonna
action
go back to you.
followed by a maximum slash attack. That's really good.
Oh, you did. This is a wreck.
This kid, I'm spending 3 for this. I can make a move action. Yeah, I guess I need to.
Yeah, like one line or something.
I could stay there, yeah, but it's fine. I'll just move. He's gonna get in your face. Makes a move action followed by an adamantine slash attack. When making this attack, each wild counts as 2 successes. So you can only use this once per turn.
That's
That's pretty good.
really good.
So it's 5 dice.
5 dice, yeah. So your wilds count as 2s. Physical. I only roll 3 physical.
Oh, you do?
I'm a striker too. Well, it's Valkyrie, you know, she's got the sword. She's a striker, but I can't regenerate or anything like Wolverine.
And with the adamantine slash, I gain power equal to the damage dealt. And if I roll any wilds, you get bleed and you get pierce. Pierce means change one of your defending dice to a shield while.
Did you take your one bullet? Or did you heal it?
I haven't got it. Goes at the end. I think it's at the end of your turn.
Okay.
This is my first attack. Because if I take you out, I don't care. I might just take it.
Yeah, it's just 1 damage, yeah. Because your regenerate kind of negates it.
Kind of, but you
Makes it slower.
But if you go first, then it's
help
yeah.
the
There we go.
Rough hand. 10 from that thing.
So 1, 2, 3, 4. And we roll this one. Oh, 4.
See, that 4, she's only got 5 health. I know she's got 6. It's almost
Not real card. That card real good.
2.
Oh, no, we rolled that quick.
Oh,
So one more. You might get all 3. Yes.
Oh.
Stop it. You stopped it.
Yeah, but you got a whole other attack.
Yeah, I'm gonna spend 3.
Map effect. We're good.
Do that. I'm gonna do the Berserker Barrage. 7 dice.
Chain 1, chain 2.
I'm not gonna take you out, but hopefully I'll hurt you.
They were all hit.
Does it attribute it immediately?
It's physical.
Also still double, right?
No, just for that one. I wish.
Yeah.
5.
See, that almost gets me. I'm only 6 health. Yeah. Wow.
Right, so it's 4.
I'm down to 2.
I impermed
Almost got
it. You didn't dodge it.
Let's see.
Oh, did it not?
When I impermed it, yeah, because you didn't tribute.
Oh, my. I
You
forget.
take the 1 bleed.
I do take 1.
Chain 1.
Well, now you put it up left. I have him and Beast.
Yeah, because all I had was Hella, but you knocked her out. So she couldn't go this round.
Beast has a range of 3.
Oh, I took 4 damage, so I get 4. 4 power.
Yes, you get that.
Yeah, just target is the bench.
Adios, my good friends.
Target the bench. Chain 1, chain 2.
We will do acrobatic strike. These are in 3. So damage 5. After this attack is resolved, place the character 1 inch of the target. So I get to wait. After this attack is resolved, place this character within 1 inch. So I'm doing an acrobatic attack. If I roll a wild, I get to move up to here. 5 dice against your 3.
Ooh, yeah, she's only 2 hit points left. So she drops it if she flips here, right?
I get to move it within an S of where she is. Wow. 4.
I have to say, wait,
You have 3 dice?
I got 3 dice, and I only got 2 hit points left. I gotta stop at least 2. No, I gotta stop 2.
We get 4 energy now.
Infects?
Or do I only get the energy for hit points that are left?
Oh, no.
Proportion to
I think that's
Oh, yeah.
drop
Because it doesn't carry over, right?
No, actually you do. I'm taking that because you can only have a maximum of 10.
Wiley and JJ are here.
Okay.
So you can give someone a what's
Took you
this?
long enough.
Oh, but it does it carry over to this side?
Yeah, you get to keep it all. You have the energy.
But does the damage carry over?
No. Your status effects and damage go away.
Ooh, there's 6. I got 9.
Have
Yeah,
them
she's
take
the
one
one
of
that's
those
full.
So she's Wiley off on somebody right now. And then you're going to drop it next to him. And he gets, he actually moved over here. And he got power. So he did, how much do you? 5? 4.
4. I just only had 2 hit points left.
So I get 4 for the damage they will do. And then I'm going to pay 1 to pick it up. So I'll be picking it up.
Try to pick it up. Oh no,
No,
you
we know what it is,
it
yeah.
Never mind.
And then he's done. So I can't actually hurt her anymore next turn. So she's out.
That's it for me.
So who can I hit? Oh, Loki I can try to take out again.
Story of a girl.
I got 1 soldier left.
I mean, first, it could be a little bit better, though. I see you're great. Like 3 cards?
Yeah, straight green town and Salisbury.
Help me at all.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead.
Other than him, he doesn't go
The range 5, the assault rifle. 5. It's 5 physical. Oh, it's only 4, I'm sorry. Against Loki. Ready?
Those were 3 physical.
Oh,
Chain 1, chain 2.
oh, look at that defense. Can you do? I can't do that one. Oh, wrong character. Choose another character within 2.
Chain 1, target off, chain 2.
Oh, so I can't do that. I don't have 4. Wow, I suck. Nope. That's it. Points. Frank gets 2 points. Go to the 3rd round.
Was it 6 rounds?
That was like the silent killer.
Energy.
Energy.
She would just get 1. 'cause that puts her
You know what's really funny? They're just dead on tap. Oh, you're gonna leyline binding? Cool, we're gonna leyline binding. I don't care, I flipped the invasion.
1 for Wolverine.
That's cool. Hexproof.
I'm assuming you're gonna want to go first.
This is unblockable. So they're just dead.
It's still sad.
And
You guys kind of stop the red, that's all. And Loki and Thor are not hurt, right?
Ghost Ogre sucks.
Hey, bro, it came in so clutch, bro. I was like, oh, wow. Check that out. Look at what I got.
I'm gonna go over here. I gotta go after these.
But then I got the 2 birds in the beginning.
That's all it is. It was the 2 birds. I was like, oh, shit.
Because I was like, if I summon Apex, my summoning stops.
oh, that's pretty good.
As soon as you summon more than one, I was like, well, there goes
Oh my god, they just drew like a bitch. That's okay, they're only limited to 2 spells per
She's
turn.
gonna go for broke. She's
Yeah, we're good.
Okay.
I think we're good.
Game 1, did you draw it under shifter?
Okay.
I was like,
No.
no. I was like, I don't think you would.
Game 1, I didn't have to use roll at all. We just went into game 2.
I mean, it's
that's
not
right, because I freaking...
You didn't have anything.
No.
Additionally, his character
Oh, one of my
has
characters
Shit house.
No,
You're going all out. She's going all
like,
out.
oh, she's like, I'm gonna die.
I mean, that literally saying 9 on the block. Wait, they can block?
So she can defend against physical, which she's got beast and
Oh my God.
so she's just gonna take whatever you roll.
Salary, sure.
She gets to add whatever this character adds dice to its physical attacks equal to the defense that she would have used. So like,
Oh my God.
so her defense is 3, so she gets an extra 3 dice.
That's pretty good.
What'd you get out of your pack,
Until
JJ?
next activation. And she's got all the
7,
power.
7, 4, 5
She's
inches.
trying to burn through it before she goes down.
No, the pack.
Children? Oh, and it
She's gonna
can.
do the dragon thing.
Yeah.
For that.
You remember when I was talking about this? I didn't case Kendra.
And do warrior legend.
Oh, now they're so
That makes it where she can change 1 die to a hit. 3 crit for a while.
That's the luck, sir.
They can gain fighting life. That does suck. Well, actually, no, it's okay. It's fine. We're fine.
Stand by me.
Tap your mana. Come on, do your kindred thing. Sure. That's a Karuga. Actually, no, he's dead. They're dead because they didn't choose life. They didn't choose life gain. So they're gonna draw the dealing cards. Oh wait, I'm so dead. Never mind.
Here's what she'll do. She'll pay 2 to
Oh, they're
charge.
gonna gain even more.
Yeah, it's almost all.
Good now. Damn defense.
Well, I'm about to swing for a
One
lot.
left. The reason I'm doing it like this is she makes a move action followed by an attack action. She'll do that first. I paid for it, but she'll do it right after they lose.
Okay.
I mean, the reason why I
Trying to get
thought
away
they're
from
dead.
Wolverine and get it
Chain
like
1,
closer.
chain.
You know
Just
what I
swing for like
mean?
a
She moved for medium,
I mean, it's a.
so I can get rid of it.
No, I think I'll just swing with a 9-10 in the air.
Your favorite card in the deck?
Beautiful
I
card.
mean, now we're the 3-turn clock
annoying.
right now.
It works.
Oh, it's glorious.
Have
Some
to
people
draw
don't know what it
exactly
does because
like
no other
it.
flip player. They're like, what is that?
Yeah, they literally have like a whole
It
thing,
works.
so I mean,
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
They're like, whoa, whoa.
that's pretty good.
All right. We will.
Because they gotta stay. That'll work.
Yeah, keep drawing cards.
She'll do that.
And we will.
Now she'll attack beast.
Actually, no, this is okay because they're
This is the
gonna
charge.
draw.
It's a weird charge.
They mill. Oh no, he's just gonna activate Cavalier Thorns or
I
Cavalier
guess it's
One's
just a
ability.
strike.
That is 1, 2. Yeah, they're gonna just.
Give yourself a 3 instead. She has a
Blanks can be.
I'll probably give you a break. And no, she doesn't have blanks. That's a Loki.
Oh.
She has it where she may change 1 die to a hit for each crit or wow that's attacked. Like I just get an extra. Like any of my missed dice become hits.
Remember that time I said I was
Crit or a
fine?
wow.
I lied.
On top of the normal.
And this one's with
Yeah.
Remember that time I said I was
Base physical. Yeah, she's rolling 8.
Wow.
Oh man.
3 hits.
Not that great. But it's 2 wilds. So that means
Oh, wait,
2 of
you're-
these become hits.
And that's what it is? Okay. So you were 5?
I went to 5. So
That's still pretty good.
it's 5, yeah. Because of those wilds. So 2.
2, that would be 3 that he takes. Does he get any other conditions or anything?
No.
No? So take the 20. And 3 power. Put him at 10.
Good.
Oh, wait.
Three power off the damage on there.
Oh, hold on. I can spend up to 3 power. Hold on. I have this other power. It's an X power. Not an X van power. X. Yeah. I can spend up to X. I can re-roll 2 dice. I can spend 2, so those characters depending on dodging during the modified dice that I'm missing up to 3. To use this power for each one spent, I re-roll 1 of my dice. So I'm going to re-roll 2 dice.
Okay.
So right now,
I know it's 3 damage.
Right now it's 3.
Yeah, you can negate
take 1.
1 damage. That was a lot better. Okay, let's need 1 then. You only got
Oh my God. These fissures.
Have you been had?
They got me.
Alright, here's the dragon.
I can use it on both attacks too. That's pretty good actually.
What does it do after that?
It does actually. Just as well it's defending or dodging, I can do this. If I have the power to spend it.
I'm coming at you. Like, I'm going for broke.
I'm trying to take him out.
6, 7. Dragon Fate normally has 7 right here, but
You're at 10. You get any of the bonuses again?
when I roll,
Is it blanks again? Is that still going on?
oh no, I
Is this
have
for
to
the
pay
next one?
2. It's for the next attack.
Okay.
I used it for the 1.
Oh, yeah, it's 2 right there.
She could pay it again, I guess.
Yeah.
What is these? So
It's broke.
54.
Yeah, what
You
is
have blanks. Blanks, you can make it right? No, you have to.
Right, 6 rates
Oh, it's not the wild one? If you roll a wild.
Yeah, no, it's 69 wild. Like if this was a missed hit and I rolled a crit
Hit or wild?
or wild, I
You can
can just be
change
like,
it.
well, this missed one's a hit.
Okay. And I have 4 dice.
So this point, you're just trying to do 3 damage just to knock you out so you get the face.
The X-Men are going to disappoint you.
Okay, what I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But
You get to re-roll 1 though, so re-roll.
reroll this one. This was 1. Ooh, it's a hit, but
It's a hit. So, but you can get,
this one doesn't count.
you can change 3 blanks, so you can change 2 of them. That'll do 9 damage.
9 damage.
Okay, so I'm going to roll my 4.
That's 2.
So re-roll this. You have to roll for that.
Power.
Nope.
You get a power though.
I do get a power.
Yep.
I'm at 10. I'm going to spend 2. Only can re-roll. I can't add a die.
Is that this
Gain it 2, so
Is that for special summons? More dice.
Oh, I think so.
Yeah, you can't do
It's
that.
down to 7.
Wait, my
Yeah, I
bad.
think I did it to me at regionals and I had the same reaction.
I didn't even, yeah, my bad. I thought it was a special feeling how it was happening. Yeah, you're good, you're good.
Now,
You got a little angsty.
I mean, not necessarily. It could resemble this one. I just
Xavier
don't know the
J.
Oh man.
An allied character would suffer any damage. Any number of other allied characters may each spend 1 plate of
Chain 1
cards.
target infant, chain 2.
For each one spent, reduce the amount of damage by 1. 1,
That means you take 1.
2.
2 can.
So it's 7 right now. 3, 4. He goes. So
Takes 2.
yeah, so he goes 5.
thick ass token.
1 left.
Yeah, he has 1 left.
Oh man.
That card's gone. I can't use that card again.
Well, you used an awesome card and I used an awesome card. I love cards. She couldn't quite do it. She tried.
That was pretty good.
It was good. Yeah.
I don't want to play any navigation, so
Yeah. X-Men book.
You're there.
I'm gonna leave it.
You're there. I ain't gonna lie to you. You are knocking at the door.
Since he's the farthest one.
You just want to kill them. Pretty much scary.
Yeah.
You can just go and open it. You know what I mean? So I can't defend.
Oh shit.
Oh, can you do it now?
Oh yeah, I got my butt handed to me.
Yes.
Two. No, two.
You're fine. You're one away. I just couldn't quite see.
This is so great.
I'm going to.
All of us, y'all still going?
I'm gonna optic blast Loki's energy. Loki's energy is 3, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna optic blast him with the Cyclops. He's also a hard one for time. So 5. I need to do this. I'll top 2. Okay, 5 damage. Energy, optic blast. I got 3 hits. Oh, so he takes 3 damage and 3 power. And you get 3 power.
Mine, right?
What's he at?
Giant.
No, what's he at as far as damage left?
Oh, he's got 2 left.
Oh, he hasn't gone down yet.
I'm not healing him up.
That's right. Oh, 3 goes over here. Cyclops goes, damn you, Thor. Thought we were friends.
Does your urgent?
A green 5.
It's just monsters with additional.
You can have both of them.
Oh, wow. He's going for
Right.
It's costing me 4.
I'm so used to seeing it. Like, this is a new edition where I'm like,
We will use.
that makes it easier on me.
I don't think I can do this one.
I believe. Switch to attack.
I'm not within 2.
Switch to attack.
Oh, I am. Oh, hold on. When the active character targets an enemy character with an attack, and the target character is. No, he's not within 2. I like that. Alright. It's 7 energy.
on each of them. Do I roll separate?
Yeah, I'm gonna roll separate. I get to roll separate. So we'll do Loki first. Try to knock Loki out. And if I get a wild, after each attack, I can go back to the one.
So that might fight.
Yeah, it's 2 times.
That do?
That's when you almost want to chain 1, target length, and chain.
Wow.
Yeah, that got him.
Oh, fuck. I had tore him up. So he's going to just go to 10 anyway. He loses 1, but he's in a game. Fuck 10. Okay, so he's at 10. Okay.
He's at 10, but he can't do anything.
Let's do Thor.
Add 2.
Takes him out. That's good.
So,
Now he can't even act. Yeah, he can't help.
That do?
Banish from grave.
Two for 7 on Thor. He has 4, you said, right?
Yep, 4 energy. This looks like your attack.
Goes face down.
Oh, way back. I got 3. And he loses 1 energy, which won't matter.
Take 2.
So he gets 2 and he gets 2 energy instead of 1.
You said what?
I think it's 1. Like, if he loses 1,
Still ain't got him neither.
2. So he's going to net 2 plays.
2, right? 2 damage?
Well, you're going to lose 1.
You know where it's at.
You did have the card I was looking for.
3 damage.
I did? Yeah. 2 copies of it. Exactly. I was looking.
3 damage? 2 damage.
2 damage, yep.
He's
Not
done.
gonna use it.
Chain
Chain 1.
Something out. Look, you can't do
Target
it.
unexplored lens. Chain 2 has 3.
So Loki's out.
its effect to.
Valkyrie's already gone though. So you have just these two, right?
Stay on these.
You still remember from that? You're trying to do something else.
I could throw Loki. I got a card that lets me throw Loki.
Oh my god.
Depends. Loki doesn't suffer collision damage.
Oh really?
Yeah, but whoever he hits does. But it won't work. I'm just a little short.
Oh, I can't do that.
His base has to be able to.
Send it back. Because I
I
have
mean,
to.
he's just a little
I
short.
have to play
Well, no,
the.
usually that's what you do in one. Oh no, it has to hit him actually.
Yeah.
If it's throwing it.
So, chain one, target. Stay from bench, chain two at 2K.
Yeah, you'll do. Loki doesn't take collision damage, so it's just basically using Loki.
You do one damage to him. When you throw and hit somebody,
And
Chain one, chain
yeah,
two.
you'll roll
Straight
2 dodge dice and suffer the stagger condition.
oh,
Loki hits you. But yeah, he's a little short. He's just not quite close. It would have been cool.
you throw your hammer and knock him out.
Yeah, because he is hurt, right?
There's one left.
I
You
need,
gotta drop that thing.
I need to be over there to pick it up, though. Yeah.
Well, you can throw it first and see what happens. And then you can move over there. Because you can move it too, so put it like over here. And then have to try to throw it.
Oh, first I'm getting it to pay one, his leadership ability and heal. Definitely would do that. Heal him more.
So, chain
Oh,
one, chain
okay.
two.
His little Asgard.
Chain
They
one,
can't do it
field targets.
when you flip them like that. It has to be on their turn.
Grave. Also, thunderstorm.
Everybody's flipping
Gets
them.
an additional target on field to select a hand because he's triggered using.
Try and flip that.
Yeah, the hammer. The hammer comes forward.
It's range 5, right?
Yep.
Pieces with 5 easy. With 5 dice, right?
D-Fissure again.
It's D-Fissure, dude. It's always
Like
D-Fissure.
4.